Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Are you in the mood for an indulging dessert? Then this German chocolate mousse is an excellent choice. This is a foolproof recipe if you use high-quality dark chocolate with 70 to 85% cocoa. Let me show you the steps. First, beat the heavy whipping cream until it forms stiff peaks. Fill another bowl with the heavy whipping cream and keep it chilled in the fridge. Then beat the egg yolks with sugar until they are fluffy and creamy. In the meantime, melt the chocolate and let it cool to room temperature. Pour the chocolate gradually into the egg mixture. Now you just need to fold in the heavy whipping cream and chill the mousse for about 2 hours in the fridge. Serve with heavy whipping cream and some fresh berries. Guten Appetit!